Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Makayla from the blog littlemeandfamily.com, and today is day 3 of camper life. Moving back into the camper. This is day 3 of camper life. So yesterday we just got all settled into where we're staying. I've been putting some little new details around the camper just to make it feel more homey and work better for our new situation. So I will be sharing all of that in a camper RV tour, and I'm really excited to share that with you guys. But today is a big exciting day because yesterday I was all hyped up on adrenaline and I was like, I'm gonna make this a home. So what I have going on is 6 bottles, glass amber bottles with the spray tops, and I'm going to be doing 6 DIY natural cleaners that you can just make right at home. So this is something that I've been wanting to do for a really long time, and I'm finally doing it. And now with the whole coronavirus thing going around and everybody buying out your cleaning supplies that you're used to getting, it can be really helpful to know how to make your own cleaner. So today that's what we're going to do. I may have to piece together a few different days because I'm still waiting on some Young Living essential oil ingredients to come, but I will be able to make a few of the things that I want to make today, which will be, I believe, glass cleaner, toilet bowl cleaner, or like bathroom cleaner, and leave-in conditioner because my hair needs some help. Also, I'm sorry about my hair. This is like, I don't have my regular Function of Beauty shampoo because it got shipped to Florida and then we had to leave before I could pick it up. So it's currently being returned to Function of Beauty, and then Function of Beauty is so amazing that they're going to send it back to me here. But the shampoo that I was using is that kind that just doesn't rinse out well, and it smells, in my husband's words, like the toilet packs that you stick down the toilet to keep it from smelling bad in a porta-john. And I was like, okay, I am going to go without shampoo for the next 2 weeks or so. Not really, I'm just going to use like body wash or something terrible because I can't stand it. It just feels like grimy. I just got a shower and it's already gross. So you may not be seeing much of this hair, and it might be up in a messy bun for the rest of the video, but that's where we're at. So super long intro, but let's get into it. We're going to make 6 DIY cleaners over the next few days, and hopefully it'll all be mashed together beautifully in this one video so that you don't have to freak out whenever there's no cleaning supplies at your local grocery store. Okay, so I am getting ready to make these, this angle is terrible, I'm sorry. I'm getting ready to make these cleaning supplies. So I have my 6 amber bottles here. I got these on Amazon. I can link them down below. I actually got a good deal on them. I think it was $16.99 for all of them, maybe 20. I can't remember. But there was another listing for like these 2 for the same price. So I got 6 for the price of another listing that had 2. So yeah, I have these. I've labeled them already so I know what to put in each one. For example, this is not focusing, but that says multi-purpose. I have one for multi-purpose. One Garden Goddess cleaner, which is basically just something I'm going to make to keep the bugs out of my garden and help the plants do really well. And this is Weed Killer that I'm going to be making. Glass cleaner. Leave-in conditioner. And finally, bathroom cleaner. So those are the things that I'm going to be making. I won't be making all of them today. I'm going to adjust this tripod because it's bothering me, and then we'll see if it works out any better. Okay, that's not particularly any better, but you can see on my head. So that's where we're at right now. She's almost ready for a nap, so I won't be getting into this until after she naps. But I've got some vinegar here. I didn't realize I already had this vinegar So I went ahead and bought this vinegar, and it came in a glass bottle, so I've been reusing that. But yeah, then I guess first things first is I'm going to boil some water and disinfect the bottles that I have here that are empty. I'm just going to do that by pouring boiling water into the bottles and letting it cool and then dumping it out. And then I'm going to be boiling some water for the solution, because you don't want to have water that could have bacteria in it, because then it could cause bacterial growth in your cleaner, and that's what you're trying to avoid. So boiling water, and then I have to let it cool because you should not mix essential oils with hot water. Apparently, just learned that today, and I'm sharing it with you so that you can benefit from that knowledge as well. And then I will be mixing up, I think today I think I'm going to do the leave-in conditioner, the bathroom cleaner, and the glass cleaner. And then I'm going to wait a few days to get my Young Living supplies for the multi-purpose cleaner. I'm also going to be making hand sanitizer and a facial serum. And there's one other thing too. I can't remember what the other thing was, but I'll share it, because I know there was 3 other small bottle things that I wanted to make. It's a hand sanitizer, facial serum, and something else. I really don't know. Maybe perfume? We'll find out. But this is what I have going on so far, and I hope that it turns out well. Let's put her down for a nap and then get cleaning. So I finished editing this video, and I realized as I sort of was filming and everything, as you saw, I kind of messed up the multi-purpose cleaner. The leave-in conditioner recipe did not work, so I'm not even going to share that with you guys until I get a better one. But yeah, I was just realizing that I didn't film the rest of the cleaners that I made, so I wanted to go ahead and share the recipes with you here. The multi-purpose cleaner, since I ruined it, I just split the exact same recipe between the bathroom cleaner and the multi-purpose cleaner. So if you just had one large bottle, you could use the cleaner for both. I personally like to have a separate bottle for like my bathroom area. I'm not really going to bring the bathroom bottle into the kitchen. It just weirds me out. Not that the bottle would be gross, but I don't know. I feel like bathroom stuff should stay in the bathroom and kitchen stuff should stay in the kitchen. But the leave-in conditioner, I will be trying that again with a different recipe, and I'll test it out until I know it works, and then I'll share it with you guys so that I can trust that it is going to work well for you. Let me think then. Oh, so the weed killer that I made, literally just a bottle of vinegar, and I put about 10 drops of peppermint in there, and you just spray it on the weeds and it kills them, and you keep spraying around to keep them from coming back. So that's what I made there. The garden one was the one that I haven't finished yet, but I did look up the recipe. I'll have to share that one in a separate video, I think. That's all that I can do for this one, and it's getting kind of long, so I didn't want to take up too much of your time. But my bottles for the hand sanitizer and the face serum came in the mail and said that they're delivered, so I need to check again once the attendant comes to the main office here at the campground, because I looked yesterday and today and I couldn't find it, and I was like, I don't know, it says it got delivered, so I may have to check the mailbox, but I'm not sure. So I'll have to check back for that and make a separate video, because I'll be working on those. But at least for now, you have 2 cleaners that you can make and a crap leave-in conditioner that you should never make. So yeah, but I hope that this was helpful. If you like this kind of video, please give it a like, because that really supports my channel. If you like seeing this kind of content, hit the subscribe button and the bell so you never miss whenever I upload a new video. I upload a new video every Sunday, and I took a 2-week break while we were moving into the camper, but now I'm back on track, so you can expect a video from me every Sunday on minimalism, motherhood, sustainable and intentional living, and living tiny in a camper with a toddler and my husband who works on the road. So all that good stuff. But things that you can expect in the future, I'll have more of my camper renovation series going up, as well as a complete camper tour whenever we're done with the renovation, and an in-depth look at Elodie's sort of like knockoff Montessori. I don't want to really claim Montessori because I know what it is, and I know that I'm not really doing all that well at it, so it's like my weak attempt at a Montessori bedroom in a camper, so I'll be sharing that, as well as her homeschooling materials that we're going to be using this year. I know she's only 2, but it's just some learning stuff that she's going to enjoy. So yeah, that's basically all I have for you for today. Tune in next week when my day in the life video goes live. It was actually the day that I was filming this cleaning creation video, so you'll kind of get to see what else I also did during that day when I was trying to make a bunch of bottled cleaners, which is probably why I messed it up so many times. But yes, I'm really glad that you're here. I look forward to seeing you commenting on the videos and recognizing your names and everything, and I really appreciate that you're here. Thanks for stopping by, and we will see you Sunday.